This is OPPO A16S, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up the parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you need to launch settings, then enter the Google category over here. Make sure that there are no accounts that are currently associated with your device. If there are any, as it is in my case, you have to remove them by tapping over here, just then going into the Manage Accounts on this device option. Then open the Google section and remove each of the accounts you have listed over here. So remove account 1 and remove account 2. After that, we can finally start the parental controls setup. So as you can see, there are no accounts that are currently associated with me or with my phone. So from here you need to tap on the parental controls option at the Google category of settings, at the same one, then get started, child or teenager, next, then we will wait for a little bit. In here, tap on the add or create account for a child option. If you have some account already ready, just sign in. If not, create one. So I have a prepared account or the prepared Google account for the child in my hands. So I'll simply log into it. So enter the email address first. Then obviously password. So I'll do it off the screen real quick. In here, click on next, I agree. Then accept. Onwards from the list over here, choose the account that we have just signed in. Here it is. Signed into. Then enter the credentials for the parent's account, or to put it in other words, for the Google account that will be used for the child's activity supervision. So I'll enter it myself. Here is the email address. Next, enter the password for the parent's account. In here, scroll the page down. In order to confirm the parents and child's account linking procedure, enter the password to the child's Google account once again. At the pop-up window that will appear next, choose Allow option. Wait until those accounts will be linked. Onwards, click on the Next button. In here you can turn on or off some apps, but you will be able to do it later on as well. So for now, we'll just skip this step. The same will apply for the filters and content restrictions. So in here, basically, if the device that is written in a bold font is the one that you will use for supervising the child's activity, just tap on the blue Install Family Link button, and the needed app will get downloaded automatically. If the device is not the one that you are planning to use, just get the Family Link app for free from the Google Play Store. In my case, it is the device that I was planning to use. Here I happen to have this little Motorola phone, so I'll tap on the blue button. As you will see, on this device, the download should start somewhere. So here it is, Google Family Link. It should have been already downloaded and installed, I guess, or not yet. Guess it is in process still. Already, here it is. So basically all preparations and needed procedures on the child's end were successfully finished. Now just make sure to download and sign in to the Family Link app on the parent's device over here. Make sure to choose the account that you have that you've used earlier on while setting up the Family Link on the child's end. Then continue. And in here we'll have the device, that is OPPO. Not sure. I mean, it should be one of those nameless devices, but whatever. So in here you can set up the daily usage limits, downtime routine, set limits for apps, as well as monitor the app activity of your child. Then manage content restrictions, change settings preferences, and as well as see the devices that are linked. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up the parental controls on this OPPO A16S smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.